Opcenter Execution Discrete offers a full set of applications to effectively address main manufacturing execution processes for automotive OEMs and tier suppliers. It's a modular approach combining several apps, fully configurable and easily extendable to better fit with each customer needs. The possibility to drive a feature-based manufacturing process, automatically reacting and adapting to new product variants, allows an easy and faster system configuration. A powerful production flow control engine enables a smart production routing, automatically interacting with PLCs and automation layer systems, thanks to a flexible configuration of the Automation Gateway app. In-plant logistic processes are fully enabled and supported. Smart just-in-time, just-in-sequence, parametric messages that can be generated based on production events, trimming the manufacturing bill of material as needed. Smart eKanban, consuming materials on BOP results or on field events, offering standard messages to integrate any warehouse system. Line operators' tasks are simplified thanks to a powerful and configurable operator terminal, where all main data related to the execution are shown, together with the possibility to declare defects on the current item. Quality gates are configurable among the production line to effectively monitor the production, fix and certify issues opened, and execute parametric inspection plans fitting the produced product variant. Connecting Opcenter Execution Discrete with Technomatic's plant simulation reduces the commissioning time of the MES and increases the quality of the implementation right at the beginning. Shorter time to market by reducing the validation time span at the plant and within supply chain operations.